Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your pinned apps like a Total Pro in Windows 11. If you want to rearrange icons or clean up your pinned apps on the start button, you can just follow my steps in here. So the pin apps are on the start button. So when you click on it, you'll see the pin section in here. So usually they are the apps that you use the most. So you can rearrange them to fit your needs. For example, you want to change this one or you want to remove something from this, you can just right click on the application, and here you can choose to move it to front, left, right, or unpin. So if you want to remove it, you can just click on unpin from start, and just like that it will be removed. But if you want to rearrange, you can also right click on it, and here for example I'm going to move it to the, let's say this one, Netflix app. I'm going to move it to the front, so click on this and it will be moved on the very first row in here. You can also move it to the left or right, just like this. Well, right click on it and choose to move right or left, just like that. Or you can also drag and drop, just like this. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.